Welcome to another Fast Tips video brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. I am your instructor, Richard Rost. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use triple state checkboxes in Microsoft Access, and I'm going to explain exactly what triple state means. Today's question comes from Stanley in Wilmington, Delaware, one of my Platinum members. Stanley says, I've got a few yes-no fields in my school database for things like IsParent, IsFaculty, IsStudent, and so on. However, sometimes when we enter data, we don't know some of these things. For example, someone could be a faculty member, but we don't know if they're enrolled in classes too. It happens. However, with a yes-no field, the database indicates that they're not a student when they are. How do I handle this? Well, Stanley, that's exactly what that third state or triple state is for. You want to know yes, no, or I don't know. Or sometimes it could be I don't care, like if you're doing like a survey. Okay? So there's yes, there's no, and then there's null. Null means I don't know. I don't have that data. Okay? Now, a typical yes/no field doesn't allow a null value. It has to be either yes or no. Okay? Let me show you how we can get around that though. Okay, so here I am in my Tech Help free template. This is a free database. You can download a copy off my website if you want to. You'll find links down below. Now, in here, I got a customer form with an isActive field, and this is a traditional yes or no value. They're either active or they're not. Okay, if they're a new customer, they just bought something from you, they're active. If they move out of your area or they die or whatever, they're now inactive. There really wouldn't be a need for a null of this. Okay, so let's go to our customer table. And let's go to Design View. Okay, here's isActive, yes, no. Let's put your three fields in here, right? IsParent. And I'm going to make this a number. All right, make it a number of type long integer. And I'm going to set the default value down here to blank, which is null, which means I don't know offhand. I don't know if this person's a parent or not. All right, I don't have this information. You can't store that in a yes/no field. You got to use a number, a long integer. Okay, same thing. We got IsStudent, right? Make that a number, default value of null, and make sure required is also set to no. If you set that to required, then they have to pick a value. They can't leave it null. Okay, and then we got, what's the other one? IsFaculty. All right, number, default value, blank, required is no. All right, we're going to save that. Okay. Now, when we go into our customer form, if I go into Design View, okay, and if I add existing fields and I try to bring these three fields in, which if you don't know how to do this, by the way, watch my Access Beginner 1 class. All right, but when I bring these in, they come in as text boxes, as number fields. All right, so we're going to just delete those. All you got to do in this case, all right, you can copy an existing checkbox if you want to, or you can grab a new one off of here. I'll just copy this one since I already got one. All right, click, copy, paste, and let's bring this one guy over here. Okay, open up the properties for it. Now in here, go to the All tab. And first thing is go to control source. We're going to bind this to the field, which is parent, IsParent. All right, I'm going to copy that and paste it over that. Give it the same name. Right, control source is the field in the table that this checkbox saves its data to. That's what it's bound to. Okay, but we also want to make it have the same name. So we don't want it being called check 14 or whatever. Okay, now right down here, there's a field called triple state. Set that to yes. What that allows you to do is you could toggle between three things: yes, no, and null, which means I don't know. And the default value in the table is going to be null. Okay, now we'll just copy that twice more. Copy, paste, paste. All right, now this one is IsParent, so let's change the label to IsParent, or we'll just make it parent for the label, right? The label doesn't care. Right here, this one's going to be IsStudent, right? Copy, paste, and we'll just change the label. Come here. Right, student. And then this one is going to be faculty, right? Is the last one. IsFaculty, copy, paste. Oh, come on, get over here. Faculty. All right, so we got parent, student, faculty. Save it, close it, close it. Let's open it back up again, and there we go. Now, here's me, right? I don't know if I'm a parent, student, or faculty. Want to check these on or off? Yep, one click to check it on, 2 clicks for off, 3 clicks for I don't know. That's how you cycle between these things. Okay, you can go through your records and do that. Now, you've also seen me use these triple state checkboxes before for selecting criteria. Okay, in my search form 2.0 video, this is one of my tech help videos. This is free. Okay, I do have my active field right here, which those are standard yes, no checkboxes, but I show you how to use a triple state checkbox up here for the filter. Because you could say yes, no, or I don't care, which means show me all of them. Show me whether they're active or not. So you can mix and match these. Okay? I'll put a link to this video down below if you want to go watch it. It's free. It's on my YouTube channel. It's on my website. That's primarily where I use triple state checkboxes is for filtering. And the one nice thing about this is if you use this method, okay, the value that gets saved in your table is going to be either a 0 for no, a -1 for yes, which is the same value that a yes-no field will save. So if you want to take a current existing field like this is active that I got here, if you want to take this and convert it to a number, okay, you can get rid of the default value. And again, make sure required is no. And it will preserve all of your existing records. All right, so if you save it, all right, and come back into your form now, you'll still see this is going to still work, okay? And it will keep all your yes-no values as they are, but now you can come in here if you want to. Whoop, not layout view, design view. And you can change that to triple state yes, and now this guy is now triple state. But you got to save that value in a number field, okay? All right, that's it. That's your triple state. If you want to learn more about how to use triple state checkboxes as filters and a whole lot more, I cover all kinds of stuff like this in my search seminar, and I'll put a link to this down below as well if you want to go check it out. All right, so that's your fast tip video for today. I hope you learned something. We'll see you next time. How do you become a member? Click on the join button below the video. After you click the join button, you'll see a list of all the different membership levels that are available, each with its own special perks. Silver members and up will get access to all of my extended cut tech help videos, one free beginner class each month, and more. Gold members get access to download all of the sample databases that I build in my tech help videos, plus my code vault, where I keep tons of different functions that I use. You'll also get a higher priority if you decide to submit any tech help questions to me, and you'll get one free expert class each month after you've finished the beginner series. Platinum members get all the previous perks, plus even higher priority for tech help questions, access to all of my full beginner courses for every subject, and one free developer class each month after you finish the expert classes. These are the full-length courses found on my website, not just for access too. I also teach Word, Excel, Visual Basic, and lots more. You can now become a Diamond sponsor and have your name or company name listed on a sponsors page that will be shown in each video as long as you're a sponsor. You'll get a shout out in the video and a link to your website or product in the text below the video and on my website. But don't worry, these free tech help videos are going to keep coming. As long as you keep watching them, I'll keep making more, and they'll always be free. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and post any comments you may have. I do try to read and answer all of them as soon as I can. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, which is completely free, and click on the bell icon to select all to receive notifications when new videos are posted. Make sure you click the Show More link down below the video to find additional resources and links. You'll see a list of other videos, additional information related to the current topic, free lessons, and lots more. YouTube no longer sends out email notifications when new videos are posted, so if you'd like to get an email every time I post a video, click on the link to join my mailing list. Even if you don't want to become a member, feel free to donate to my tip jar. Your patronage is greatly appreciated and will help keep these free videos coming. I got puppies to feed. Now, if you have not yet tried my free Access Level 1 course, check it out now. It covers all the basics of Microsoft Access. It's over 4 hours long, and I just updated it for 2021. You can find it on my website or on my YouTube channel. I'll include a link below that you can click on. And also, if you like Level 1, Level 2 is just $1. Yep, that's all, $1, and it's free for all members of my YouTube channel at any level, even supporters. Want to have your question answered in a video just like this one? Visit my tech help page on my website. You can send me your question there. While you're on my site, feel free to stop by the Access Forum. Lots of good conversations happening there. Be sure to follow my blog, find me on Twitter, and of course, YouTube. Once again, my name is Richard Ross. Thank you for watching this tech help video brought to you by accesslearningzone.com. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something today. I'll see you again soon.